Moscow, August 31, 2025. Russia has officially unveiled plans for its highly anticipated next-generation attack helicopter project known as the PAK AA, Future Air Complex of Army Aviation. The PAK AA project, which has been shrouded in secrecy for years, was revealed in Fazatron NIIR's 2025 development roadmap, as reported by Aviation Week on August 22, 2025. The program aims to deliver a revolutionary attack helicopter designed to redefine the role of rotorcraft in contemporary combat environments. Unlike its predecessors, the PAK AA is engineered to address the demands of modern battlefields, where drones and advanced air defense systems have transformed traditional tactics. With a focus on doubling the speed and range of current attack helicopters, the PAK AA promises to deliver unmatched agility, firepower, and survivability, ensuring Russia's army aviation remains a formidable force. The unveiling of the PAK AA comes at a pivotal moment for Russia's military, which has gained invaluable insights from its operations in Ukraine. The conflict has highlighted the vulnerabilities of existing platforms like the Ka-52 Alligator and Mi-28 Havoc, which, while highly effective, have faced challenges from advanced Ukrainian drones and air defenses. Despite these losses, estimated at over 100 attack helicopters since 2022, Russia's commitment to rotorcraft innovation remains unwavering. The PAK AA is a direct response to these challenges, designed to operate effectively in drone-heavy environments and counter sophisticated air defense systems with advanced radar and weaponry. Colonel Yuri Borisikov, head of Russian Army Aviation, emphasized the strategic importance of the PAK AA in an interview with Krasnaya Zvezda, the official newspaper of the Russian Defense Ministry. He noted that the project explores multiple design and engine options to achieve unprecedented performance metrics, including speeds potentially exceeding 300 miles per hour and a combat radius far surpassing the 110-mile limit of current models like the Ka-52 and Mi-28. This ambitious goal reflects Russia's determination to maintain a technological edge over its adversaries, ensuring its forces can strike swiftly and decisively across vast distances. The PAK AA is set to incorporate state-of-the-art technologies that build on Russia's decades of expertise in helicopter design. Fazatron NIIR has confirmed that the helicopter will feature a next-generation radar system tailored specifically for the PAK AA platform. This radar is expected to provide enhanced target detection and tracking capabilities, enabling the helicopter to engage threats with precision in all weather conditions and at extended ranges. The system's integration with advanced onboard electronics and autonomous weapons systems will allow the PAK AA to adapt to the rapidly evolving dynamics of modern warfare, where situational awareness and rapid response are critical. Russia's two premier helicopter manufacturers, MIL Moscow Helicopter Plant and JSC Kamov, are likely to play a central role in the PAK AA's development, drawing on their storied histories of innovation. Both companies have previously explored high-speed rotorcraft concepts, such as the MIL MIX-1, which was designed to reach speeds of 323 miles per hour, and the Kamov KA-92, capable of 286 miles per hour. While these projects did not progress beyond the conceptual stage, they laid the groundwork for the PAK AA's ambitious objectives. A notable precursor was a modified Mi-24 tested in 2015, which achieved a record-breaking speed of 253 miles per hour for a Russian helicopter, demonstrating the feasibility of high-speed rotorcraft. The PAK AA is also expected to incorporate advanced stealth features, such as a low radar signature, to enhance its survivability against modern air defenses. Drawing inspiration from the Mi-28NM, which includes upgraded armor, directional infrared countermeasures, DIRCM, and fire-resistant fuel systems, the PAK AA will likely feature similar enhancements to withstand hostile environments. Additionally, the helicopter is anticipated to carry next-generation guided missiles, such as the 9M123 Chrysanthema VM, offering greater range and precision compared to the unguided rockets currently used by Russian helicopters. These advancements will enable the PAK AA to engage targets from safer distances, reducing exposure to enemy defenses. The development of the PAK AA is a testament to Russia's resilience in the face of Western sanctions, which have posed significant challenges to its aerospace industry. Despite these obstacles, Russia has continued to sustain production of combat aircraft and helicopters, adapting to supply chain disruptions with innovative solutions. The PAK AA project demonstrates Russia's ability to leverage its domestic expertise and resources to push the boundaries of military technology, ensuring its forces remain equipped to meet both current and future threats. Analysts predict that the PAK AA could enter service within the next decade, potentially revolutionizing Russia's army aviation. In the interim, Russia continues to modernize its existing fleet, with upgrades to the Ka-52M and Mi-28NM incorporating lessons learned from Ukraine. These enhancements, including improved radar systems and guided missile capabilities, serve as a bridge to the PAK AA, ensuring that Russia's helicopter forces remain combat-ready. The PAK AA represents a bold vision for the future of Russian military aviation, combining cutting-edge technology with strategic foresight. By addressing the challenges of modern warfare and building on its rich legacy of helicopter design, Russia is poised to deliver a platform that will enhance its operational capabilities and project power on the global stage. As the world watches, the PAK AA stands as a symbol of Russia's enduring commitment to innovation, strength, and sovereignty in an increasingly complex geopolitical landscape. With the PAK AA, Russia is not only responding to the demands of today's battlefields, but also shaping the future of military aviation. As development progresses, the world eagerly awaits further details on this secretive project, which promises to redefine the role of attack helicopters in modern warfare.